Hi, I'm Izzy from Gravity Wiz, and today I'm going to show you how to use merge tags inside your Gravity Forms field labels. By default, Gravity Forms doesn't let you drag and drop your merge tags into field labels. But with a little trick using live merge tags, you can dynamically insert user selected data into your field's label. For example, I have this magical elective enrollment form, and you can show a previous choice, which is when they choose their elective, in a section later on in the form, which is when they select their experience level. If I change this to potion making, this question also updates and asks them for their experience level in potion making. So for additional context, live merge tags are merge tags that Gravity Perks Populate Anything offers that updates real time when the field's value changes. You don't have to resubmit or refresh your form. Using merge tags in field labels makes your form more personalized and responsive. It makes your forms more engaging and can reduce confusion on multi step forms or forms that require conditional logic. Here I have a magical elective enrollment form, and students have to first select their elective, and the next question in their form asks them to select their experience level in that specific subject. So, as you can see, this is in reference to their earlier selection of which subject they wanted to focus on. That way, the form is more interactive and personalized to the student. So, for this video, we will be using Gravity Perks Populate Anything. This lets you populate your form with pretty much anything. You can dynamically filter and populate field choices and values with posts, terms, Gravity Forms entries, databases, and REST APIs. This Gravity perk is also what will allow us to put the live merge tag in the field label. So these are the steps that we need to take. Step 1 is to install Gravity Perks Populate Anything. Step 2 is to add a live merge tag into your field label. And step 3 is to test it out. So let's dive in. Step 1 is to install Gravity Perks Populate Anything. So here we are back in our forms page. We will go to our spellbook. Let's look for Gravity Perks Populate Anything, click Install, and activate it. So we need to install Gravity Perks Populate Anything because this is what supports the live merge tag. Now we will be moving on to step 2. So step 2 is to add the merge tag into your fields label. So let's go back to the form where we will be using this. So here we are back in our form, and we want to add the merge tag in the question that asks them to select their experience level in a specific subject. So this merge tag will then reference the previous choice the student answered in the form. So in this case, it's selecting their elective subject. So make sure your form includes the fields you want to use for merge tag and dynamic labels. So I will click on the checkboxes field. This is where it says for them to select their experience level. And here in the field label, we will be adding the merge tag. So we will include the at prefix before the merge tag because it triggers the live merge tag replacement. So now we have to check the field ID of the question that asks them to choose their elective. So here you can see it's 4. And now let's go back to the field where we are adding the merge tag. And once that's done, click Save Form. Now we move on to step 3. Step 3 is to test it out. So we will be using Gravity Perks Live Preview for this. So let's say Daisy will choose elements as her elective. And as you can see, it updated the next field where we had our live merge tag to also reflect the word elements. So now it's asking Daisy to select her experience level in elements. And that's how we use merge tags in Gravity Forms field labels. Now you can make your forms more responsive and tailored to your users. This technique is especially powerful for long or multi-step forms where context matters. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Gravity Forms tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, adventures!